Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Casio F105. While you are in your home screen, we are going to press the mode button 3 times. So we are going to go past the alarm, past the stopwatch, and we are going to arrive at the settings. When you see something flickering or flashing, that means that we are going to be able to set or reset that exact thing. In our case, the first thing is going to be the seconds. If you reset them between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0, but no minute is going to be added. In case you reset them to 0 between 30 and 59, they are going to reset to 0, but a minute is going to be added. If I reset them now, they are only going to reset to 0. Now I'm going to use the upper left button in order to toggle between all the functions that we have right here. Now the next thing that we can set are going to be the hours. As you can see, we have the 24-hour display, so it is going to show me up to 23. If you press and hold the button on the right, it is going to speed scroll, so we are going to move a lot faster, and that is going to be very useful, especially when setting the minutes. You can only go in one direction, so forward. Let's make it 15:45. I'm going to press the upper left button once again, and here you can once again go one by one or press and hold in order to speed scroll. I'm going to release it a little bit earlier and then go one by one, just like that. Also keep in mind that the seconds are running in the background, so this means that it is also going to adjust the minutes, so make sure to take that into consideration as well. If I press the mode button once again, we are going to arrive at setting the date, and here we have the month. So I can make it, let's say, May or June. Then I'm going to press the upper left button once again. Here we have the day of the month. Let's make it the 1st. And then I'm going to press it once again in order to also set the day of the week. So let's make it Monday. Now I'm going to press the upper button once again, and you can see that we have arrived once again at setting the time. So you can cycle once again and choose and change something in case you made a mistake. If not, we are going to press the mode button in order to save all the settings that we have made. In case you do not have the 24-hour display right here, or you want to switch to the 24-hour display, what you need to do is to press the button on the right, and you are going to switch between the 12-hour display and 24-hour display, so military time, on these digital Casio watches. As you can see, now we have 3 p.m. If I press it once again, I have 15 because I have military time. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to set the time and date on your Casio F105. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, also how to use the alarm, how to turn on and off the hourly beep and the alarm, and also how to use the stopwatch, I have a full guide, link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, also leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next one.